Yeah, Generation Z in nature. I'm kind of a nature guy. I like to think of myself like that, you know. Um, this is some mid-century stuff, you know, enamel ware. But whatever, I was on the computer and I kept hearing some kind of chewing or something like that in the corner, you know, some sort of animal. I don't know what it was. So I'm sitting there, and then as time goes by, I notice I hear my shoes. Okay, the guy, yeah, let's call him a guy, that was making all the noise and chewing. Um, he was in there. There he is. Rather large insect. Um, he's kind of what? He's kind of apprehensive now. This is my finger. See, you can. It's a pretty big bug, kind of a beetle. I'm gonna let him get out here. He's kind of. I don't know what he's trying to do. Just what? Here, I'll put you over here, and you can figure out. Well, just onward. Very good. Yeah, it's great out here. You just keep pushing, don't you? Just sort of pushing through stuff. Huh. He's looking for something, it seems like. I don't know.